Just Buggin.
Hey man, so what have you been up to?
Man, I am working on this sweet 57, of course, that's owned by Fred. Go ahead, Fred.
Yeah.
I brought it in for a few minor repairs because this thing is so beautiful, it just needed a little bit of finesse.
Yeah.
Well, he said the brakes would work, but he'd have to really get on top of it, you know? Well, what does this tell you? I can't even get it to move. That's one.
Brake cylinders weren't moving.
Brake cylinders are frozen. He drove back and forth to Orlando in this beautiful car.
No brakes.
No front brakes.
It would drive right with the traffic, and he had rear brakes only.
60, I actually hit 70 mile an hour in the car.
Wow.
And I had lots of gas.
Let me guess, downhill?
No, yeah, you saw that hill. Okay,
With the wind going your way? Downwind?
But there was a big old truck in front of me, okay?
This is all it needed, and we went ahead and bled all the old fluid out of the brake system, and she's really good to go. Had a few loose contacts. He lost brake lights. Someone pulled him over and said, hey, you don't have the brake lights.
Biker came up to me, very polite, very nice, and said, dude, you got no brake lights. Nice ride.
And those are snowflakes. They're small enough as it is.
Right?
You really need it.
Yeah.
So I fixed his contacts, replaced the ends, and he's good to go.
Other than that, it's a sweet car.
Oh,
It wasn't much to do.
Go ahead and walk around it.
Yeah.
But y'all gonna take it for a ride and let me know what it's doing. Pull to right, pull left, and we'll put the hubcaps back on, and he can drive back to Orlando.
Wow, looks so sweet, man. Look,
Thank you, man.
got that from Volkswagen?
I know, it's coming soon.
That's sweet.
So we got original keys and we got extra keys.
Nice.
So yeah, real nice. And look at this. This is just, the car is perfect.
Clean. Let's hear that thing.
I don't think
Nah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a big motor, all right. Let's go for a little ride.
different on the on the brakes. Now it's no longer stiff like
That's
it was. But let's see if it's yeah, turn the air on.
Yeah, turn the air. Yeah.
I told that to my son. I said, yeah, turn on the air. He goes, Dad, there's no air. I said, sure there is. The Volkswagen.
Yeah, there is.
There's air. All right. Should I stop before the
Right
just to see?
now.
Okay.
Hey.
Brakes.
Yeah, and we got stuff moving up there too.
Yeah, what's moving in the front? All right, your turn, dog. You are going to love this.
Yeah, well, you keep going around the block. One more
I'm around the block. I went all the way down the block, just like you have. Have a handbrake now, and it's Dalton's turn. I did move your seat back a little bit.
That's fine.
Hopefully enough. All right. Oh, here comes Dalton driving my car.
All right, where are we going? We're going right now.
You're in control.
You see how this roller pedal is?
This is an unbelievable ride.
Wow, that shit's
I
really
knew you
nice.
would love that.
And it's not so bad. The roller's not bad at all.
Try your brakes.
That's nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a whole lot different than running on back brakes only.
Yeah.
Now, in defense of the guy that sold me the car, he did tell me that the brakes needed attention. So far, everything he's told me has been truth.
That's good.
Yeah. So,
It's great when we got honest VW lovers out there.
all he wanted was some happy place to put it.
Yeah. Well,
He was finishing up his van, which was stunning. 63 van.
Aw.
The horn works.
Oh, it does.
Yes, sir. And it's gold.
Yeah.
I don't know why that's gold, but it's gold.
Yeah.
Okay? Whatever.
Drop it down in a second.
Tell me that's not sweet. It's actually got brakes now.
Yeah, it does. want to?
Yeah, go ahead. What do you think about the shift?
Oh, it's great.
I can't get over how well the synchronizers work in the transmission. But it has the original motor in it, and they replaced the transmission with a non-crash box. Now, I was told it was a 58, but I'm not that familiar with 58 and 57.
Yeah. I like the shift. The clutch is great.
It shifts so amazing.
It's great. Steering's
And
great.
now the brakes are great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's so much better. So much better.
I like these small shifts.
Isn't it nice? But the synchronization in this transmission is almost perfect. It's so easy to find the gear. Normally they're a little bit tricky and you want to grind it going into another gear. Not this one. This is the smoothest driving transmission I've ever had in a Volkswagen.
Yeah. The
For real.
steering is great, though.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Very responsive. Of course, he tightened the steering today. That was one of the other things that Greg did. Now, there's a little bounce in one of the tires. I gotta
do
get that
notice that.
fixed. I gotta get that fixed. But, you know, I've only had it for a few weeks, so.
It's great. I mean, if you guys are going to purchase this car, get it. Get it while it's hot. That's all I got to say.
Yep. I agree. Thanks for driving it.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you for allowing me to have the
Yeah.
opportunity to drive it.
It's probably one of the nicest 57s you'll ever drive. There you go.
Nice car, man.
Thanks. Wonder if your dad wants to drive it.
Yeah, if he gets
do not
clean.
know.
I want him to drive it. He should go take a shower real quick.
They're good.
You should go take a shower real quick.
No, I'm not gonna drive.
Yes, you really should.
I'll be back in it.
Yeah, I can do it some other time. Hey, so it's great. I did it first go.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Brakes are awesome.
Oh, great.
Did it first time. Now, Dalton drove it, and I noticed he didn't go 75 around the block. Some big neighborhood.
speed limit's 35 in here.
Yeah.
So he did good.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
And you'll see more of this beautiful 57 unless someone buys it right away, like all of his other cars. But,
Yeah.
but that's what he does. You know, he finds us these great prizes and we fix up what needs to be done. And this car really didn't need anything but some, you know, regular maintenance, regularly
Yeah.
scheduled maintenance. These things don't self-adjust themselves.
Yeah.
It's not like a GM. You can, old 1978, you put it in reverse and you slam on the brakes a few times and they readjust themselves.
Firmly apply the brakes several times and forward and reverse stop. This completes the installation procedure.
No, this is a VW.
But it is a sweet
57.
ride, and I really wish you were clean right now.
I don't want to do it right now. He's got to get home. He's been here since 10 a.m. this morning.
Oh, yeah.
He wants to get home.
It's so sweet, though.
It's a sweet ride. I'll live. I'm the butt man. It's going to come back.
Turning on the air conditioner.
Turn it on the air. Gotta have air, man.
You want me to roll this down for you?
No, we're good.
Alright.
See you later.
See you, man.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. See you, man. Hey guys, so it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and yesterday this package came in from, guess what, man?
HH Wheels.
Yeah, or Rebels Navy. So it's the new merch. Gotta be kind of quiet because, you know, it's late.
Early.
Or early, should I say. I just got done editing, so that's why I'm up.
Normal traffic is up to 4:30.
Yeah, so any minute I'm about to go to sleep, and any minute he's about to go to work.
Yeah, you've been editing, and by the time it's like we pull shifts, it's change of guard right now.
Yeah.
Having a problem one-handed?
Yeah, this one-handed stuff sucks.
Cut yourself. Put the knife in.
Oh, man.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, cool. Thank you for your purchase, Greg and Dalton. Thank you for supporting our small biz. Keep up the awesome Just Buggin work. Hope you enjoy. See you soon. That's cool as yeah.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, thank you. And then hell yeah, Rebels Navy lanyard.
for me,
oh,
too.
cool. There you go. Oh, this is too cool.
Look at all the stickers.
I'm glad I got to open this now. Wow.
Beetle. I can't wait till we get a sticker of our own car if we ever get back to it.
Yeah, for real. Busy life.
So damn
Oh,
busy.
that is nice. Oh shit. Hot Wheels, that's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's the what's his name from
That's the
car?
Roadrunner.
Yeah, the Roadrunner. Yeah, Hot Wheels. Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Thank you for all the stickers
Yeah,
and the
cool.
lanyards. I'm really glad I
Check that.
opened this. Yeah. Oh
The top ones are ours.
yeah, that's too cool. Here, you want to hold this? Here, let's flatten this.
Technical difficulty here. Look at that. Wow.
Looks good.
Sweet.
Look at that, man.
Look at YouTube.
And it's so soft.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And it's
I
in the
like
shirt.
that. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, that's badass.
Yeah.
Looks like a splash of bleach in the
Yeah, and now if you
Middle
guys
of it.
wonder, me and my dad get 2 blue shirts and everyone else will get white shirts, the ones that we will be selling. So this is just so we can stand out, you know, having unique shirts. So if you guys do like the blue, then we can get them to make blue at some point.
Yeah, if they go over well, we'll go to a different color. But she did a really good job with that. It was
Yeah,
great.
she did. It looks really good. It looks way better than the ones we got.
Yeah, I
now.
just too prone to stains
Sam.
that I
Look, there's
don't
the
wear
other
white
blue
often.
one. Look at all that. Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna get more.
There's so many.
That's awesome.
Look at that.
Our first box of merch. I mean, we've had another company take our
Teespring.
merch, Teespring.
Yeah,
we've
which-
been wanting to get to a better quality shirt. And,
Yeah.
I think we found it.
Yeah, because Teespring shirts, they show sweat a lot when you're sweating outside.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
They fade easy. They
And
peel
they peel,
easy.
it
They're
doesn't take long
vinyl.
for the detail
They're
pallets
vinyl.
come off,
They're-
start peeling.
Yeah, they're not screen printing like this is.
right.
So this is, look at that. That is so nice.
That's cool.
And great design, Caroline.
Yeah,
Great
you did a
work.
great job.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, check the links in the description, guys. Now, I'm going to go to bed and he's going to go to work.
Yep. All right.
Hey, guys. It's Dawn.
G-Man?
Yeah, so wasn't that a sweet ride with Fred and his 57?
Oh yeah, I didn't get to drive it. I was too busy, but you drove around.
Oh,
with it.
dude, such a sweet car, and it will be for sale soon. So if you guys are very interested, leave a comment down below and let us know, and we'll get in touch with Fred for you.
Well, you know Fred sells them fast, so you better get on.
better
it
hop
fast,
on it.
'cause It'll be gone before the video comes
Just
out.
like that last Dune buggy. man.
Yeah, the dune buggy was gone before we released the video. This might happen again.
Yeah, but hey, we got to talk about the shirts we're wearing. As you guys saw in the last clip, we unboxed our new merch that we got done by Rebels Navy, made by Caroline,
She
the
did a
HH
great
Wheels
job.
channel. Yeah, she did a great job designing the logo. I told her what I wanted. I told her I wanted a little bit of a beach kind of vibe, and I think this looks great. And now, here's the thing. You guys will be getting the white version. The white version will be sold at the VDUB factory.
Yep, that's where we'll be.
Buggies on the
debuting them.
beach, and most likely Bug Jam, of course, too.
Right.
We'll be selling them for $25, and later on down the line,
And
you
a
know, maybe
matching
we'll go
sticker
down.
for $3.
Yeah, matching sticker for $3, but we gotta say, compared to our last t-shirts, these are
Much
great,
better
high quality.
They're 50-50.
They're super comfy.
Screen printing, so it'll never come off. So comfortable. Look at that.
50% cotton, 50% polyester, and yeah, they're great. I mean, if you guys can see, check out the back. The back's sweet. Now the back and the blue is only for the crew.
Yeah.
Hey, that kind of sounded pretty good.
Right, yeah. These are
No,
team shirts.
These are team shirts, but we gotta say, if you guys are interested in other colors or other sizes, then of course comment down below and we'll, you know, start out. But right now, first batch, we got 4 mediums, 8 larges, 8 XLs. Next batch, we're gonna have 7 crew shirts.
Right.
We're gonna get 2 blue tank tops, same design,
Right.
and we're gonna get Chad a t-shirt. We got Jerry and Junior, which you guys will see in a
Brad.
later video. We got Fred, and we got Mama Buggin.
Yeah,
Which
sure.
she'll be vending the shirts at all the shows. So yeah, guys, I mean, they're sweet shirts. Better get your hands on them while they are here.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna last long.
Yeah, I gotta say again, they're so much better than our other shirts. I mean, you guys can go ahead and still check out all the designs that are on Teespring from our previous shirts that we've had, and we still will be doing
not-
customer
yeah.
designs on there.
Right.
But that is more of a, you know, a nice shirt that you're not going to wear out all the time.
You could wash this
Because-
100 times and it's not going to do it.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if you saw his 72 Fun in the Sun shirt, but as him getting on his back and everything, it started to peel, and it's made out of vinyl. It's
Yeah,
not
so-
screen printing.
So we wanted to get a better
Step it
quality
up.
shirt. And
Yeah.
Caroline did a great job.
Did a great job. Yeah, and guys, definitely go check out Rebels Navy down in the description. Also, go check out HH Wheels channel. They put out some great content, and I'll leave, of course, all the links down in the description. But
Beetle.
yeah, the Beetle, sweet ride. But yeah, guys, stay tuned to see this at Buggies on the Beach. We would like to get it there at VDUB Factory, but it's not
We're
possible.
just so busy trying to get all these other cars ready
Yep.
for Bug Jam.
Really not giving ours any attention.
We haven't given it any attention.
Any attention since the day we bought it,
Yeah.
which you guys will see all that
We'll
future
try,
video.
but customers first.
Yep, customers
We're last.
first. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and hey
on
man,
bugging.
have a just bugging of a day.
Just bugging.
Hey, you're not supposed to be in this video. Hey man, so what do you? That's a blooper.
I always have my head backwards.
All right,
My hair's
3,
everywhere.
2, 1. My parents were out at a local car show and happened to see this sweet, very interesting looking Beetle. Not sure what year it is, but as you guys can see in the interior, it has VW stitched on the door panels. And also, look at that. It is a hand fabricated, not a kit, all made out of metal. Very interesting Volkswagen, and they said they should be at the VW Factory car show on September 18th, which we'll be at, filming of course, and documenting the whole entire experience. Also, we will be selling our new t-shirts, so if you guys want to check those out, then come out to the VW Factory 10-year anniversary VW car show on September 18th at 8 a.m. Also, don't forget, we are sponsoring Buggies on the Beach 7, and we will be there October 1st to October 3rd selling our new t-shirts along with our new sticker design. Definitely go check out Rebels Navy, link is down in the description. Amazing work, and thank you so much, Caroline. A friend of mine recommended a great place called May Beer and Tepes, located in Ocala, Florida in the Six Gun Plaza. May brings a different twist on the bar scene with a variety of beers, wines, and of course, great food. As you guys can see, my mother and I both got the May steak tacos, which are marinated skirt steak with corn tortilla and chimichurri sauce, diced white onions, and of course cilantro and pico. It's affordable and it is great food, and the whole time she had the opportunity to sample many different beers and wines. So yeah guys, definitely go check out May Beer and Tepes. Sorry if I'm pronouncing all this wrong, but they have great food, and check the link down in the description. One last thing, remember this 1957 oval ragtop VW Beetle that Fred owns is for sale, so if you guys want to get it, then get on it quick because his vehicles go quick. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a just bugging of a day.